Okay, so today in math we're learning about metric units of liquid volume. Last time we learned about customary units. Today is a little different. So our I can statement is, I can use metric units of liquid volume. Let's go. So basically, there are two metric units of liquid volume, a milliliter and a liter. A milliliter is very small. There are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter, 1,000. So they're really small, okay? And a liter is kind of big, but not as big as a gallon. If you have seen those bottles of Coke, not cans, but like a large bottle that you kind of get for parties and you pour it into a cup, that is a liter, okay? So there's 1,000 milliliters in that one big bottle of soda, okay? So let's do a few where we look at an object and we think, would I measure this in milliliters or liters? And really quick, sorry, I can't find the cap to my pen and I don't want it to dry out. I found it. We're good to go. All right, number one, a water bottle. A water bottle. So a water bottle, would there be 400 milliliters in a water bottle or 400 liters? Remember, a liter is that big bottle of soda. So is a water bottle the size of 400 big bottles of soda? No. So a water bottle would probably be 400 milliliters, not liters. Number two, a bathtub. 40 milliliters or 40 liters. Remember, there are 1,000 milliliters in just 1 liter. So do you think a bathtub holds less water than a big bottle of soda? No. So we're probably going to measure a bathtub in liters. Number three, a large cooler. 20 milliliters or 20 liters? 20 milliliters isn't even the size of 1 liter. So a large cooler, do you think it's this small, 20 milliliters? No. It could probably hold 20 liters. And last, a sunscreen bottle. 215 milliliters or 215 liters. Now think about it. Is a sunscreen the size of 215 big bottles of soda? No. I would probably say 215 milliliters on a sunscreen bottle because it's not the size of 215 big things of soda. That'd be crazy. Okay, I'm going to make today short. We're just going to do 2-word problems and then we're out of here, okay? So let's do the first one. Shelby needs to water 3 plants. Each plant needs 200 milliliters of water. Remember, that's not that much because 1,000 milliliters equal 1 big bottle of soda. So 200 milliliters isn't even 1 big bottle of soda. So it's not too much water. How many milliliters of water does she need? All right, so it sounds like she has 3 plants and each one needs to get 200 milliliters of water. So this sounds like a picture where I have 1 plant, 2 plant, 3 plants, and each one has 200 milliliters of water. So what's my equation going to be like for that? Multiplication, because I have groups and things in the group. So it sounds like I will have 3 groups of 200. And this is just like our tens trick. So we know 3 times 2 is 6. And then we just have to add both zeros. So our answer is 600 milliliters. Easy peasy. Let's do one more. Our last problem for the day. Mr. Rojo put 6 liters of fuel into a gas can. The can hold a maximum of 10 liters. He then added some liters until he filled the can. How many liters did he add? All right, so let's think about this problem. With word problems, we got to think about it. Sometimes we want to draw a picture, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a picture. So I've got a gas can that can hold a maximum of 10 liters. So I'm just going to draw 10 tally marks to represent those 10 liters. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, got 10 liters. He put 6 liters in, so he filled up this one, filled up this one, that's 3, 4, 5, 6. So he filled up 6 of them. Then he added some until he filled the whole can. So how many more liters did he have to add to get 10 full liters? 4. Our picture shows exactly what we did. So now we know what our equation is. We started with 10 liters. We then filled 6 of them, so we took away 6. And we were left with our answer of 4. And it's 4 liters. Alrighty, guys, those were pretty simple. I know you can do it. Remember, you are somebody. You were somebody when you came. You'll be a better somebody when you leave. Head on over to Think Central, and then you're done for math.